welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Uthando Nesthembu, the season finale of season 8. Umseleko came into the dinner. Wavela wahlasela uMakhumalo. I feel like she was just attacking Makhumalo after his meeting with Umayeni, who was also guns blazing, firing shots at him. So he decided, you know what, he's just gonna float Umakhumalo. How Ugai was just attacking Umakhumalo, saying to Umakhumalo, did not giving her a chance to speak, or I think it was just a score that was trying to settle, or Umseleko feels intimidated by Umakhumalo being successful, because he even said in his diary session he has given Umakhumalo the platform to manage business kamselegu, and now that whole thing has gotten into her head, the fame, and that she has a lot of money, forgetting what she's getting all that because she's a wife kamselego, and now that she's the one managing the business, she feels like she's better than anyone, she's better than him, she's better than the other wives. So nje yonke lento leyo has gotten into her head, uzibona engcono than anyone else, and then which is funny because this is something that the other wives have said. I think Umayeni also, because Umayeni is also like portrayed things like is also like said things that imply that she's jealous of Umakhumalo, and I think the other wives as well, because when she came into the dinner, she greeted Umacele, but Macele just kept quiet. I think the only person that she's getting along with now is Unombela. Unombela nje shemu don't care. She's just there to hear ukuthi Umseleko uthini and whatever. And quite funny, Umseleko was just attacking Umakhumalo. First, it was the issue ukuthi Umayeni is not coming to the dinner because of something that he said to her. He said because Umseleko called her delusional, which is something that Makhumalo has said before. Makhumalo, I don't understand why you had to involve me in your conversation with her. You should have just said something that you're observing yourself, not because something that I've said, Mina. Because how can you bring in something like that knowing exactly how much trouble it caused between Mina and Umayeni? So you shouldn't have involved me. I'm not happy with that. And then I'm dismissing Umseleko, saying abantu say like you take them and make them wives, so then saying they treat you like rubbish. Atumakumar, have I ever treated you like rubbish? You treat me like rubbish, but I've never treated you like rubbish. But Manja, how can you say this? You're disrespecting me. You're not giving me a chance to speak. As Atumakumar, when I'm selegu, umuntu okuhloniphayo nomuntu okurespectayo, umuntu okurespectayo nomuntu okusupportayo, like a person that respects and supports you, awumboni, you don't care about them. That's why bakutreata kanje. That is why your other wives treat you the way they treat you, because you disrespect the person that supports and respects you. Awumboni nje awumbeki indawo. Athi Umseleko yena nje Makhumalo has changed. Makhumalo has changed a lot. She's no longer the person that he's used to, because Umseleko is used to Makhumalo agreeing with everything that he says. Makhumalo never defied Umseleko. So this new Makhumalo stands up for herself. Akamjwayelanga Umseleko. He even said that he has gone to Makhumalo's family to thank them for their teachings and the way they've raised Makhumalo, because he was appreciating the support that Makhumalo was giving him. But now he needs to go back and tell them it's no longer the same, because into uMakhumalo alethele yona kwaMseleko is failing to do. I don't know what it means ukuthi uMakhumalo is failing at what is here to do. They must not look at it as at the level yokuthi uMakhumalo is supporting them financially, but the main thing that she was brought to do, Makhumalo is failing to do. I don't know if she is implying that Makhumalo is failing to do what she was meant to do. I don't know if he's referring to kids, because Makhumalo does not have any kids. That would be very insensitive. And also looking at the things that my opinions of the public, also in the Twitter streets, they feel like Umseleko is saying Makhumalo is failing to do what she was brought in to do Umseleko, which is to have kids, because he's always stressing the issue of wanting the wife to have more kids. And then which is very insensitive, because Makhumalo would have had an IVF and had kids, but he is selfish and doesn't want to give her that platform. And it was very insensitive of him to say that, because he's saying this way, it's sitting next to Makhumalo. That's so insensitive and selfish also at the same time. Atu Makhumalo Umakhumalo vele nje wathula when he said all these things. Athi Umakhumalo, it's said to kubona ukuthi Umseleko does not value him, or it's that he disrespects him after and she's the only person who supports and respect him. So kahle kahle Mseleko umuntu omsupportayo noma respectayo akamboni. It's said that he's doing this while he supports and respects him. And at times she gets into trouble because of supporting him. So it hurts now that the person that she's supporting does not recognize that support. So nje kubuhlungu athi uMseleku Uma Khumalo was given the platform to run businesses, but manje so that money and the fame makes her think that she's better than everyone, better than him, better than the other wives. So umbheke nje pedestal like this, a lot of money, because she has a lot of money and the fame kumenza nje ayicabanga ukuthi ngcono, forgetting that she's getting all these things because she is a Mseleku wife. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.